Hi everyone, welcome to OneX Labs. In this video, I'm going to talk about another new features in 2020.2. So in the previous videos, I would have explained about the relationship concept. So now if you see when you are connecting to any data set, so if you see in the previous versions, you could see it has been separated by dimensions and measure section. Okay, but now in the 2020.2 version we don't have that separate window which is separating the dimensions or measures. It is actually showing only the table information which we are connected to. So if you see in Superstore, we have connected with orders, peoples and returns, right? So only the table information is being separated. You can see here, so we have all the dimensions here and the corresponding measures. Okay, and for the order table, then for people table, and then for written tables. Okay, and one more thing is that number of records field is also been removed. So instead of that, they are using this count. So you could see we have this count value for each identifiers here, the orders count, people's count, returns count. So you have this count value where we don't have that generated field, which is the number of records field. That is also one new feature. Another major new feature in 2020.2 is when you are creating sets, it allows us to dynamically control the members in the set. Okay, let me explain you with an example. So now I'm going to create a map. So I'm creating a filled map. So now I'm going to create a set using the state column. I'm randomly selecting few values. So I have selected some 10 values, give OK. So you can note one more thing, previous versions, if we create sets, so it will appear in the separate sections, but now you can see it is part of the table sections, we are using state column which belongs to order, so set will be also part of your order columns only. Okay, now I drag this to colors. So whatever I have selected, you could see it is in the blue color and others are in the grayed out colors. Okay, now when you click here on the set, you could see something called show set option. Okay, this will be not in your previous versions, only in 2020.2 we have this option show set. This is similar to the show filter option. Okay, if you give the show set option, you could see like a filter, so how we use show filter, the same. So now what you can do, you have a control over the items to which needs to be in the in and out section. Suppose if I'm choosing some state here, you could see it has been added to the set. Okay, and if I'm removing the already selected value, it is removed from the set. So you are having that set control over the members in the set. Okay, this is a new feature that is introduced in 2020.2 version. We don't have in the previous versions. In the previous versions, we don't have the set control. Only in the new version, they have introduced this set control option. Thanks for listening to the video. Thank you.